Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Commerce Pro. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 170 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth automatic transmission. Finished here in the lovely stone grey colour, this example features LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, and helping you park and manoeuvre, the vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors. Across all four wheels we'll find a set of 19-inch Indianapolis alloy wheels coming in a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a tailgate without a window, and the vehicle also features a rear view camera paired with a set of rear parking sensors, allowing you to park and manoeuvre with confidence. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with the load lashing rings dotted throughout the load area floor. This example also features twin power sliding doors, which allows for more versatile options when loading and unloading the vehicle. The sliding door option can be operated from inside the cab or with the key. A bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and up in the cab itself we'll find two singular seats, both with two armrests each, as well as a heated function. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the cab we'll find a variety of different charging points. Exclusively for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multi-function leather trimmed steering wheel, which is paired with a digital driver's cockpit display. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Commerce Pro. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.